We paid $19.50 for this one. What do we got here? Coldwater Creek. Sexy stuff. What kind of purse we have here? Purse intrigued me. Got it, no name. No names are good. Huh? Nice stuff. What was on the Nordstrom's here? What'd she get in Nordstrom's? Suits. What do we got here? It looks fancy. Nothing?
Nothing. This is what I like right here.
I like it. Michael Lehet.
Want to open it?
You can do whatever you want. It's your stuff.
Oh, don't ever say that phrase after
I mean, like it's our stuff, but this is paperwork, tools,
cookies. Come on, Chanel.
It's an interesting little doctor's bag. What do you want? That's a nice little purse right there. Made in USA. That's not a cheap purse. Okay. Purses. Let's come all the way out. Nope, no Julia. Damage, that's the best purse we got so far. Ooh. Rhoda. It looks expensive. Looking for a gold one. Gold. Like actual gold. Made in Hong Kong. Still nice. I like her style. Ooh, what's that one? Gold? Yeah. She doesn't keep her jewelry in her purse. It doesn't look like. Ooh. As I say that, oh, what do we got? Keys. She keeps her keys in her purse.
Where's that lady?
Where's the what? It's alright. This is just her purse container. She says. She's a smoker, she's a toker, she's a midnight choker.
She's fancy too. Let me open that real quick. That's not even a real cigarette. That was a fucking.
Those are all just purses. Little wallets. Oh, what's that? What do we got here? She's very organized, and that means that, you know, it's all going to be in that one together. You know what I'm saying? Nope, it's not here. This was, though.
Dom Perignon. Oh. Bag inside of it.
Ficklin. Need to look this up. Money. Hermes.
That feels pretty good. Nothing? That's all that's on the bottom is those.
Gloves. Here today to ask you to let that be sterling silver in there of some form, because I like those green cotton bags.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, please, Lord. Lord, if you're listening, it's me, David.
Hey, David.
We haven't talked much yet today, but I'm hoping for sterling silver.
Might get you this year.
What is this one, nickel plated?
Made in the USA.
No. 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 Sir photos, first.
That's locked.
We're all over the map because that's 78. Then we got 28. We could load a whole leg. You're gonna need both hands. Probably not gonna get any more big boxes either. Turn. There you go. Troy, come on, Troy. Cups. VHS. Please be a big old stack of money. What do we got here? Sterling. Got sterling. Maybe sterling. These are heavy. What are they?
Those are nice.
Those are sweet. That's sterling, I think. Pretty sure those are sterling. Just through the smell. Careful, sir. Sterling. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Candy Joe. Airtay porcelain lady. What's the bottom? Oh, that's why it's airtay. Careful with that. Franklin Mint Untamed Beauty.
It's number
2.
2.
Christmas stuff.
Is that the first things you pack?
Right here working on this unboxing video. Two most serious on the straight hustle all day long. No games.